What is good? Amazing day. What I have in front of me, what I'm going to be talking about, and what I am going to be discussing about, even though it's the same thing. Anyway, the got2b glued lasting freeze spray, screaming hold for hair. And the hold is 4. I don't think they have any hold stronger than this, but the brand, oh Lord have mercy, it's so unique. But I don't know if I'm saying it right. Schwarzkopf, maybe something like that. I don't know. I feel like my mom pronounced that excellent. Anyway, so again, I was recommending this product from a stylist. I actually had a hairstyle where this came into play because it needed to be held and doing all kind of movements and being active and stuff like that, so my hair definitely had to stay into place. Anyway, at first this was a little tricky to use just because it kind of like sprays out. It doesn't spray out like a whole bunch of product, like it comes like dispersed like everywhere, but this is a product where you have to be really mindful of how you're using it, if that makes sense. Like, if you're trying to hold something, spray on that particular part of your hair that you want to spray. But my stylist she used like a blow dryer right afterwards, so it can kind of get like that fast drying and make sure that it held in place. But if you don't happen to have a blow dryer by you, I would say, and she told me this too, don't spray a lot because it's going to take way longer to dry and it's not going to hold, and it's just going to look like a big, huge, I don't know, wet spot that's just leaking, I guess, on your hair. Anyway, so it's really simple to use. I mean, you just press this button right here and it sprays out and it gives it a nice hold. The one I will say this because this is so funny, because I did not know exactly how to use it. But wait, hold on a minute. I was just smelling it for a minute. Let me spray some on my hand. Right quick. Okay. It doesn't have a pleasant smell, I would say that, but that's what it looks like. So you see, that was just from one spray. So you see that you cannot, I mean, if you don't have a blow dryer around with you, you can, I don't want to say out of luck, but I mean, it's not, it ain't recommended. Like, don't use so much, you know. If you have a blow dryer, that's completely different, but it's going to take way longer to dry. But anyway, so I was spraying on a part of my hair that it needed to hold, and I'm just spraying and blow drying, and I'm like, do I know what I'm doing? I'm spraying my fingers, and it's all like, it kind of leaves like a sticky consistency afterwards when you're not blow drying, but when you're using this product, that's the only thing. So I'm just like, am I doing this right? And what I noticed is that my stylist, she did spray a lot to give it like that nice hold and a blow dry. So that's what I did. So when using this, let's say with a blow dryer, you do want to spray and blow dry, but you definitely want to be neat with this product because it can get really messy really, really quick. But let's just say you're spraying a part of your hair, you know, wrap it around, spray, kind of give it that nice hold. Just hold it with your fingers. Get it out of the way so the blow dryer can get to the hair. That's another thing. My fingernails were just all up and through, just all up in the way of my hair. Wasn't getting dry or anything, and I think I was in a rush too, so that has something to do with this. So make sure you have time to do this. But anyway, spray, blow dryer, I would say, like, I think she kind of was probably like between like maybe 10 to 15 seconds. Maybe 20, maybe, I don't know, but maybe like a 15-second, and then you spray, like you kind of spray it along the way so it can all hold like it's supposed to. But yeah, the smelling ain't that pleasant. It kind of just smells like product, like, I don't know, a whole bunch of different stuff, ingredients combined in one. I don't know, it doesn't smell too good. but it holds very well. I mean, it holds perfectly, in my opinion. It holds. Let's go on the back. So it gives you directions on what you're supposed to do and how you use this product and what all you can do with it. Like, you had spikes, you know, or like, I guess you would say like a mohawk as well. This will definitely hold, and it does leave your hair hard. Like, it ain't going nowhere at all. Like, when I mean your hair can be slick with this product, especially if you're doing something that requires like that nice slick finish look, this will definitely help, because it'll make your hair like stay in that position of where your hairstyle was. I hope I'm making sense. Like, if you have a nice, neat, slick hairstyle and apply it like this, depending on what it is, it'll look, you know, neat. It'll look finished and it'll look polished and it'll just look real slick. But most overall, it looks neat. Anyway, but it just tells you know how far away you want to spray from your hair. I haven't had to remove any product from it because it just kind of goes away by itself, but it definitely tells you how to, you know, what to do if it's starting to get product all over around the nozzle. And also it gives like a instruction on how to do, like if you was doing like twist tips and like top spikes and stuff like that, like if you was wearing like a mohawk or something, it definitely gives you the instructions on how to do that. At the bottom, the ingredients as well, and you know what to stay away from, and gives a description of what all you can do with this got2b glued blasting free spray. So again, be careful and be very mindful of how to use the spray. Alrighty.